Yep, hello, here we go again with the 1959 Chevy El Camino. Yesterday I was block sanding, pretty much got the hood block sanded. Passenger side sanded. They said there was black primer underneath this gray primer. That's what you see the black showing doing, except for the real dark spot like that one right there. That's where I found a low spot that has to be dealt with. So today, I'm gonna try to get the rest of this car block sanded. Huge car. Took me about 6 hours yesterday to do the hood and the side of the car. So this is what I'll be working on today. I'll give you an update in a little bit, or 6 hours or so. Anyways, we'll see how it goes. All right. Very nice car. 59 El Camino.